Hello everyone. I would like to introduce you our new application for managing contests. This application is supposed to support everything that is related with managing contests, and it's mainly aimed for contest judges and contest participants. Now I will show you how to create a new contest, how to add teams to contests, how to set up competitions, and how to process results. On this screen, you can see list of active and past contests. You will need to log in into the administrator interface to create a new contest. So this time I will log in into the administrator interface. The application consists of two parts. The first part is what you saw, and the second part is the one that is used by contest managers. Information that you enter into the administrative interface will change what you can see in the public interface. So now I will show you how to create a new contest. I will click, after logging in, I will click Add and write a new name for the contest. I will make up some name. For example, NITRO Clubs Contest. To each contest, you can add several teams. Teams go into the lower part of this setup screen. This part you can use to manage and record which teams are participating. So I will make up some teams to show. So I will add some short description. This field token is important for team to be able to submit results automatically. So this token can identify and authenticate a team. So I can make up some string. This one will be secret and known only to organizers and to team members. So there will be, for example, 2 teams in this contest. So I will save the results and show that the public interface is not changed yet, because every contest has some internal status. So I will show you how to change the status to show the contest to public. So here is state in preparation. It means that it's not going to be assigned to public. So once I'm ready, I can postpone publishing the whole contest. Meanwhile, I can add some individual competitions into the contest. So I will add competition, make up some name. For example, obstacle avoidance. Some description of rules. These will be displayed together with the competition. I will assign the competition into specific contest. And also create a token which will be distributed among competition participants. These 2 tokens are used to identify robots and competitions. So I will make up some string and save the results. So for now, the contest is not public yet. So I will switch to the contest and I will show how the board will change with the new contest. So I will change the status, save the results and show you that the new contest appears among contests. So there are no running competitions yet, just list of teams that I have assigned. Now I will publish a competition by giving it into running state. So this is obstacle avoidance. I can publish the competition and add some preliminary results. This part runs is for individual results of robots that are performed during the competition. So here I will fill up some start date, some duration in seconds, and as a judge, they can propose some score for individual run. They can also write some comments for specific runs. Each run has a team, so each run is performed by a specific team. So I will select my team, team 1. And I will add another run by another team. I will fill in the dates and times, preliminary results, and those results are going to be displayed in the web interface. So I will save the results and show how the public interface is changed. So here, this table shows overall view on the running contest for each competition. There can be multiple competitions running at once, and this screen will show you what is current state of each competition. So we can see the competition is open and there are some preliminary results. This can be used for some large screen for the contest audience. So when I click here, I will display a screen that will support, that will show preliminary results. So this table summarizes multiple runs that were executed before, and judges also can use this publicly displayed clock. So when robots are running, doing some tasks, this clock can be used to display current time. So it is a tool that judges can use and write into the administrative interface. After several runs are performed, judges can decide on final results. So those final results can be written into the administrative interface, into this upper part. So I will switch to the specific competition page and write down final results of the competition. So I can assign different score to each team. So team 1 receive 5 final points. Team 2 receives 3 points. And those points go into final results of the competition. So I will save the results, and the results are not visible until I switch the state of the whole competition. So I will show that the results are not visible yet until I switch. And now the public interface will show the final results of the competition. So those are the final results, and those final results for the specific competition go into the final overview. So we can see that the overview table has changed, and the final results are displayed in the overview table. We can see that this simple web application can support the whole process of contest organization, team sign up, writing up, preliminary and final results. The whole output of the contest is displayed in a single table, which can be displayed directly in the place of the meeting, or can be displayed on the public web page and accessed by remote participants. There is also a possibility to submit results of runs automatically through HTTP REST interface with a gateway with MQTT protocol. Thank you for your attention.